Enye yezinto ezibalulekileyo kakhulu xa uyi-artist yabo kuspana kwicraft yakho, masterishe icraft yakho yabo. Ungamoshi imali yakho nesikhathi sakho uzama ukudm ama-superstars ufuna ukuspana nawo yabo. Spana kwicraft yakho yabo. I-superstars zihleze zikhangela iswasentsha yabo. If uziyakubona because manje kune-social media yabo.
Yeah.
If you record wenza umculo make a show icraft yakhe iba better, shaya ama-reels, shoot videos, bazokubona ku-social media bona bazokudm ngokwabo yabo. Yeah, so enye into ebaluleke kakhulu le as a upcoming artist, masterishe icraft yakho, ukhohlwe i-success nokuduma. Make sure nje wena like icraft yakhe iba better yabo.
Like you become the best version of yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yabo.